What are you doing, you idiot?
15'ini de AKP dönemi açtı. Kandırılan onlar, yürüten onlar, üniversiteleri açan onlar, kapatan onlar, darbeye kadar geldi adamlar, büyüttü.
Especially, for example, with hospital systems, but just in general. And there's states under their health authority, also under anti-discrimination law, have a lot.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No, 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 no! Man.
What was that?
Television forces know who they are and what they have done. It's a fear of ways to go.
We talked to a former combat interpreter, now living in Dorchester, who has no idea how he'll get his family members out of the country.
My family left, became a...
And Django Unchained even more than we have to this day.
Absolutely. And if it wasn't for Will Smith turning down Django, we never got that performance. And this is an interesting thing because The Hangover is a movie that is known.
Come on, man.
Cross drag, watch. Get you.
Really? That was cruise control. That was not me.
Really?
Yep.
What is cruise control?
Chris just hit me.
I saw that.
Wih, kok berani kah?
Duduk.
Janganlah.
Gila.
Jangan.
Ah, nah.
Oh, shit. Damn.
Olha só. Aí, ó, tombou. Tombou. Entendeu? É assim que ele tomba.
твою душу, Машу. Козел, а? Тихо, тихо, ребята, тихо, не волнуйтесь. Не волнуйтесь, успеем. Успеем. Все нормально. Все хорошо. Так, догнать слева.
In a moment of suffering, and so you're like that. You're traveling with him to that concentration camp, and you're there.
Let this thing. Oh my god. Okay, you might need to get out, like at least pull over, bro. Yeah, like. Oh my god, and he's gone, bro. Oh my god, here come the police right behind him. Oh shit.
I seen it, bro.
Is we really in the middle of a speed race right now?
What the hell is happening right